Electra.
Sir, bola na po, sir. Patayan na ilaw. Patayan na ng ilaw.
First 5 on Rim District. First position of Electra is Dilos Reyes. Pass to Sergeant Primo. What a pass coming from Sergeant Dilos Reyes to Sergeant Primo. First shot, first attempt. Too strong. Rebound on District. 14 to 14. 10 to shoot. Bang! What a shot comes big. 4-2 It's a tie ball game. 9 minutes and 22 seconds. Now, De Los Reyes. First attempt. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! You can call me as De Los Reyes. 5-2. It's 3-point lead on Electra. Nice downside pass. Take Rivera. It's struggling violation on Rivera. 3-point lead on Electra. Now De Los Reyes. Pass to Anas. Anas first attempt. Nice defense on the ball. Same ball. 14 na set shot clock 14.
Shooter, tingnan nyo yung shooter.
Now De Los Reyes. Pass to Sergeant Primo. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound blocked by Rivera. Now it's 2-1. Martin, let me go. Martin. Yes on Martin. 2-4, 5-4. It's a 1-point lead on Electra. Now De Los Reyes. Looking for Sergeant Primo. Anas, the great Anas. Step shot. Rebound on Pirata. 10 to shoot. Primo. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sergeant Primo. 8-4. It's 4-point lead Electra. Now Martin. Capol. Downside to Rivera. Back to Capol. 10 to shoot. Redeem. Too strong. Top. Rebound. On Rivera. 5 to shoot. Top again, Sergeant Primo. Now it's De Los Reyes. Move to strong top. Rebound on District. Anas. Top again, Peralta. Again, too strong. Rebound on Rivera. It's 7 minutes. 3-on-1, Lemon, move, Lemon, box. Oh, that was shot by Lemon. 6-8. It's 2-point lead now, Electra. Now, De Los Reyes. Looking for Sergeant Primo. Back to De Los Reyes. 10 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound on Pilitante. Anas on there, and Anas. It's 5 minutes and 33 seconds. Oh. Foul on number 22 on Anas. First against Anas. First team foul on Electra. Now Martin, guarded by De Los Reyes. It's Anas to Sergeant Primo. Now Anas drive, Anas move, nice defense. It's same ball. Last touch on Martin. Fourteen to shoot. De Los Reyes. Too strong, rebound on Tenuman. It's 1-1, looking to Martin, it's Martin! Too strong by Martin! Now De Los Reyes, zigzag, crossover, looking for Peralta. Peralta to Sergeant Prio. Turnover again on Electra. 8-6, timeout on Electra. It's first time out of the game and brought to you by Basketballista. Electra, Rim District, TUI, and Color Sports.
Okay na ko. Kuha na nila. Kuha na pera.
And our official referee for tonight, referee James and Mark the Great. Back to the ball game.
Mark the Great. Tanupan 3, Tanupan, Primo, De Los Santos.
Now beam.
Martin.
Too strong. Rebound top on Tanupan. Now De Los Reyes. That's De Los Reyes now. Intercepted by number 2. Martin. It's 1-on-1. Martin again. 3-on-1. Pass to Leven. It's 8-all. It's our third deadlock of the game. Now Sergeant Prio. Tanupan to Anas. Anas fake. Kid Lightning. In and out by the Kid Lightning. Now Martin. Oh, it's now 10-8. 2-point lead on Rim District. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Peralta. Pass to the Kid Lightning. De Los Reyes. Now Kid Lightning now. Kid Lightning drop. Kid Lightning too strong again. Rebound on Peralta. Tanupan. 3 minutes and 10. Sergeant Primo. Fake. Traveling violation on Sergeant Primo. 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Now Martin. Penetrante. Now the major penetrante move. Now that's time to shoot. 11. Too strong. Top. Now top by 11 again. 14 set shot clock 14. 11 side step to Capo. Bang! It's Capo. 12-8. Back to 4-point lead ng Rim District. Kid Lightning now. 6-side Kid Lightning. Short. Rebound on the ball. Now Martin. 11.
Aywan.
Foul! Basket down and 1 on 11. Foul on Electra. Second team foul on Electra.
Sino Paul?
Sino pa? Gusto mo kita mo?
House foul rep. Okay.
Foul on number 8. 15-8. It's 15-8. 7-point lead now on District. Sergeant Primo. Now the Kid Lightning. Sergeant Primo for Bray. In and out. Rebound on Capol. It's Capol. Baseball pass to 11. All alone. Pass to 13. In and out. Rebound on the major penetrante. Top. It's Peralta. Now it's Anas. Anas the Great. Looking for the Kid Lightning. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Kid Lightning. De Los Reyes. 15-11. 2 minutes. It's a 4-point lead on Rim District.
Ay. Nakadalawa na.
Martin. Catch by Sergeant Primo. Rivera. Pass outside. 10 to shoot. Martin. Yo-yo move. Oh, Rivera. It's 17-11. 6-point lead on District. Anas the Great. Pass to the Kid Lightning. Kid Lightning move. Kid Lightning pass to Peralta. Too strong again. Rebound on Martin. All alone by 11. It's 11 time. Now 19-11. It's 8-point lead. Rim District. Now De Los Reyes. Pass Peralta. Guarded by the major penetrante. Still by major penetrante. Hit ball. Same ball. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 1 minute. Anas.
Patay.
It's too strong. Rebound on Rivera. Remain. Top by Rivera. Martin. Pick. Martin hook shot. Too strong. Rebound by Libin again. Top pick. It's Rivera. 21 against 11. Sergeant Primo.
Mamaya daw pag hindi pa nabawasan.
All 30 seconds. Ice move, top. To Major Penetrante. 10 to shoot. 21 seconds, 21. Now, great Anas the Great. Looking for the Kid Lightning. Pick. Kid down. Black by Rivera. 15 seconds. 11. All alone. Yes, on lemon. 23, 11. 5 seconds. Rivera again. It's 2-1. Martin to 11. Whoa! And on the first quarter score, it's 25 against 11. It's 14-point lead on Rim District. Second quarter ready, Rev. Second quarter ready. It's District ball. Rim District ball.
Bakit ka kukuha sa'yo ba? Ito naman, sabihin mo.
Sabihin mo nga doon.
Pasok.
Tiram tayo.
Ikaw ba ang bumili?
Tiram na isa ka. Oo na.
Ikaw, ikaw.
Diyan. Ikaw yan, Chimay. Hirap na isa.
Sabi ko na sa player. Kinagat ng malaking lamok.
Now, Hermoso in the ball game. Hermoso, first attempt. Bang! Nothing but net coming from Hermoso. 8-11. It's 17-point lead on Calachuche. Top. Now, Peseros is nice pass by Peseros, 30 to 13.
Ay, wala pa si Ron.
17-point lead on this league. Calachuche. Wala move by Calachuche. Move. Calachuche looking for Sambila is short. Bang! Wala shot now. 15 to 30. It's 15-point lead. It's Muneba time. Muneba. Caribe Catalia. Top. Lapiceros. Too strong. Top rebound on Sebas. Now Muneba again. It's Muneba. Bang on Muneba. 32-15. Now Catalia. Karachuche. Lapiceros all alone. Lapiceros. It's Electra ball. Electra.
Hindi ko kumain siya.
Nahiya ako.
Ram, hindi nga ako sa tubig. Tubig. Tubig na hirap na tubig. Sino yun?
Short. Rebound on Seba. It's Moneva. Moneva. 34 against 50 now. It's 19-point lead on district.
Sino yun? Sino yun? Number 2. Sino yun?
Foul! Foul on number 9 on Rim District. First on Rim District. Foul on the captain Kilab. First on Kilab. First team foul on District. Kilab. To Muneba. It's Muneba time. Muneba running by Muneba. Lapiceros back to Muneba. Muneba now. Muneba it's foul. 3-second violation. 3-second violation. Not counted. Basket not count. It's violation. What a highlight play coming from Muneba. Now the Thunder Boy in the ball game. Nice pick. Back to the Thunder Boy. Thunder Boy now. Thunder Boy to Calachuche. Calachuche 10 to shoot. Calachuche 1-1. Calachuche move. Calachuche. It's nice defense. Same ball. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Rebound on Munaba.
Ayun.
Lapiceros. Nice pass to the captain. Too strong. Tapping foul.
15.
Foul on the captain. Kilab. The second personal foul on Kilab. Second on District. It's foul. Foul on Hermoso. 13 foul on Rim District. First against Hermoso. 5 minutes and 43 seconds. Kalatuche. Guarded by Hermoso. Kalatuche. Guarded by 2. Sumale. Tap again. Intercepted by the captain. Guarded by 3. Capitalia. Now Moneva. Moneva. Foul. Foul on Sumalde.
Sumalde.
First personal foul on Sumalde. First team foul against Electra.
Moneva.
Baskets, timeout rep, basket timeout.
Baby Moneva.
Yeah, 20 points.
Timeout on Electra is 36 against the 15. 21-point lead on Rim District.
Okay, balik.
5 minutes and 27 seconds. Now Kalatuche, guarded by Lapiceros. Favorite shot, signature shot, too strong. Rebound on Hermoso. Foul. Foul on number 18 on Catalia. First on Catalia. Second team foul, Electra. Now Hermoso. Now the captain Kilab. Back to Hermoso. 14 to shoot. Saba. Kick out pass. Muneva. Let me die. Sidestep. Timbela. Foul.
Science.
Foul on number 2. On 13 foul on Electra.
Wala akong number 2.
Good. Bigay ko lahat sa iyo.
Libe. Libe.
First on Libe.
13.
37-15. It's 22-point lead now, Rim District. Now left it right. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Captain Glove. Now warning for penalty on District. Third on the captain. Short. Foul. Foul again on Livitz. Warning for penalty and Electra second against Livy. Lapiceros. Now the captain get up. Favorite shot. Captain. 39-15.
Asa na? Yan.
Signature shot, short. Rebound on Manaba. Top, Libby. It's traveling violation on Libby. It's 4 minutes. 39-15. It's 24-point lead on Rim District. Again, the captain Kilab. Kick out pass. Time to shoot. Unselfish man communication on District. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. Now Kalatuche, signature shot, too strong. Rebound on District. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. Next game. Waitrose versus Navigate. Almaria versus Navigate. Moneva. Side step is Moneva time. Rebound on Levy. Intercepted again. Moneva. Top. It's Saba. Seba, big.
Sebe.
10 to shoot.
Wala.
Bang! Nothing but net by the Captain Club. 3 minutes. Intercepted again. It's Muneba. Short. It's Electra ball. Electra. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Now Libby. Let me move. Pow. Timeout on district. Now it's district penalty over the limit. Foul on Seba. First personal foul on Seba.
Bilis Reyes. Nakatawa.
2 minutes and 36 seconds.
Ngayon lang maglaro, tambak pa.
Pabulin.
Ha?
Pabulin.
Tropa naman.
Tumiti ka.
Now, 16 against 41. It's a 25-point lead on district. Seba. Too strong. Muneba. It's a point under boy. Now, Kalatuche. Kalatuche, one of the Ceros. Kalatuche, now Seba. Oh, Hermoso. Hermoso. Hermoso, your ball. It's Electro ball. 2 minutes. Kalatuche. Pass to the Thunder Boy. It's Thunder Boy. Big. Looking to Sumalde. Sumalde. In and out. Top. Rebound again by Muneba. It's 2-on-3. Muneba. Oh! Basket count and one on Muneba. Foul on number 19. On the Thunder Boy.
Ganun ka.
Foul.
Hermoso.
Ano sabi nila? Ano sabi nila? Wala.
Kaya
Usap.
wala pa daw.
Ha?
Wala pa daw.
Hintayin na first second quarter. First blood check. Wait lang. Yun ang check.
Living. 10 to shoot.
Same ball.
9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. Sumbalde. Kalatuche. Second your shot. Too strong. Top. It's Catalia. Short.
Hirap nilang mag-shoot eh.
Muneba. Kalatuche. In and out again. Rebound on Muneba. It's Muneba na. Muneba. Short. Steal. Muneba again. Bang! Basket count again on Muneba. Foul on Sumalde.
Anak ng Freddy.
Kaya mo Sumalde.
Sumalde. Sumalde first. Ay, second. Penalty.
46 to 16. 40 seconds.
Ano, bend din na.
Oh, alam mo, from 11, 18 against 46, 25 seconds. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, Hermoso. 10 seconds. Five seconds. No jumper now. It's end of the second quarter.
Usapin mo si Kano. Luchuche.
Third quarter.
Luchuche. Ano yan? Luchuche. Kaya di sila.
Hindi kasi, wala kasi na eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, ano na lang, isa-isa na lang para kung dyan man, hindi na mauuha.
Sorry po po lahat. Hindi na ibibigay. Usap na tayo. Jojo, sabihin mo kay Jojo. Jojo. Sabihin mo kay Jojo. Sino mga pair dyan? Sino mga wala? Ipangapin mo si Jojo kasi para si Jojo sa Contelo rin. Para maibigay yan. Ihirap kasi yan. Kasi kung papayag ka niyan, hindi mo ibibigay. Hintayin natin yan. Dapat puro natin yung lahat. Bali, papalit ko sa litro. Bali, palit ko sa litro. Anong plano mo? Okay na. Kaya na. Kaya na. Kaya nga eh, binigay nga eh. Ano yan? Kasat, di man papayagan, tatapal ako. Kaya nga eh, before nga nagsimula tayo, binigay kayo sa kasi pupunta lahat eh, sabi niya. Paano yun? Mahirap yan, pag ganyan yan, di lang pupunta dito yan eh. Yeah, sino magkuhan yan? Obligan yan. Problema niyan, wala obligan yan. Ha? Paano yun? Magkano yung bibigay mo? Ipalit mo lang sa kuwan. Pali... okay na. Magkano bibigay mo? Pagkama na po naman.
Third quarter.
Boss, may time ka dyan.
Message mo lang ako. Message mo ko.
Thank you.
Indamod si Kilab. Indamod.
Electra ball, Electra. Now, Galaduce. The kid lining short. Rebound on Nanas. It's foul. Oh, it's violation. Now, Tubong Banwa.
Magkano bigay?
Nice shot. Now, 51-80.
Dapat pisilin natin yan. Ha?
May berat eh. Sige pa naman doon eh.
Ay po, di na pupunta.
Ayun lang.
9 minutes. Black. Now, Migo. The rookie. Bunyo again. 40 to shoot. Tubong Banwa. Pass outside. 10 to 5 to shoot. He's kid lining now. 1-1. Kid lining. Looking for Galaduce. Fake. Galaduce. Side step. Favorite shot. Again, too strong. Rebound on Galaduce. Galaduce Black by Flores. Now, Abunyo. Short. Top. Rebound. On Electra.
Ezekiel. Is,
So, sabihin mo natin sino sa loob para
Abonyo. In and out. Rebound on Anas. It's Calatuche. Calatuche now. It's Calatuche. Move Calatuche. 20 against 51. It's 31-point lead on District. Tubong Banwa. Oh, nice defense on Ezekiel. Turnover on Rim District.
bang!
Rebound on Flores. Now Flores. Drive, coast to coast, too strong. Rebound again on Calatuche. Oh, Kid Lightning! Yeah! Kid Lightning! It's Tubong Banwa ball, Tubong Banwa. District ball, it's District. 7 minutes.
Hindi naman.
Still again on Kid Lightning. Now Calatuche. 1-1, Calatuche. Crossover move. It's nice defense again. Yung naboya, Calatuche again. Calatuche. Top Anas. Kid Lightning. Too strong about Kid Lightning. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Abunyo. Still by Ezekiel. It's Ezekiel. Move Ezekiel. Too strong. Rebound by Flores. Tubong Banwa.
Bang, bang.
Anas rebound. Calatuche. Signature shot again. Too strong. Rebound on Central District. 6 minutes and 10. Flores. Rebound. Oh, it's Flores. 53-20. Anas. Ezekiel, side step, move, Anas. Whoa, what a pass coming from Ezekiel to Anas. 53-22, 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Sino mga pangalan dyan? Sino mga pangalan ang dyan? Sino mo? Asan?
Yung na,
Puno.
tira?
Oh.
Pangalan? Kapos, kapos. Baba na, baba!
Ron, Abonyo, bang! Oh, Abonyo. 55-22. Ezekiel. Ezekiel again.
Ay, naku.
It's 3-2. Move, 3-2. Ino na, tapay na mong Banwa. Abonyo.
Andyan lang.
Urbano?
Dadalhin natin yan pag wala.
Substitution and time out. On District, first time out of third quarter. It's 52-22. All by Rim District.
Turalde. Sino Turalde?
Urbano.
Magpano.
Magbanwa.
May player doon, no? Sa likod.
Our next game, it's Navigate against Almaria. 23-55. It's 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, Abunyo. Sa Tanya. Flores, 10 to shoot. Short. Catalia. Ezekiel.
Advance off.
Ron.
Bang bang.
Yes, on to Bombanwa. 57-23. 4 minutes.
Kunin mo na. Kunin mo ikaw.
Stop. Sulman.
Intercepted by Ezekiel. It's Ezekiel, 1-1. Ezekiel move, too strong. Rebound on Sergeant Primo. Bang on Sergeant Primo. 25-57. Ron.
Bang bang.
Abonyo, short, top. Abonyo again.
Isa pa.
14 na set shot clock for D.
Huwag kumpiyansa.
Ron, 10 to shoot. Still on Sergeant Primo. It's Catalia. 1-1 with the rookie Catalia. Bang! Substitution steps up. Foul on Abonyo. First on Abonyo. First team foul on Rim District.
Tira. Depto shot.
Magkakalim ka dyan kasi yung tao. Labas, di ba? What's this man? Borba yan.
26 against 57. It's a 31-point lead on District.
Bigyan mo kayo ko. Nabigit.
Ano?
Nabigit.
Yung kay Captain mo din.
Oo.
Bang bang.
Bang.
Rebound on Sergeant Primo. Wow, it's Flores. 59-26. Libe. Still again on District. Tumbong Banwa. Too strong. Now Ezekiel. Bang! Oh, Ezekiel. Now Libe. Kandibay Tumbong Banwa, 2 minutes. Libe again. Foul.
Grabe, wala pa din.
Foul on number 1 on Flores. Second team foul on Rim District, first against Flores. One minute and 51 seconds.
Bedel.
Now 29-59, 30-point lead on Rim District. Flores. Tumbong Banwa. Short. Iba ng Catalia. Now Lebe, 1-1 drive. Lebe coast to coast. Too strong. Rebound again on District. Tumbong Banwa, looper. Yes, Tumbong Banwa. 61-29. 1 minute and 10. Sergeant Primo. It's foul. Foul on number 8 on Tumbong Banwa. First. Against Tumbong Banwa, third on Rim District.
Nice shot.
1 minute.
Same ball.
Same ball. 14% shot clock, 58 seconds. Top, Ezekiel. Drive, side step. Again too strong, Catalia. Flores. F alone, 63-29. It's a 34-point lead on Rim District. "25 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 12. On Rim District. Kaya sana.
Gasataya.
Gasataya. First down Gasataya. 21 seconds.
One penalty. Ano rin penalty?
Traveling violation, traveling violation. 16 seconds.
Third.
10 seconds. 5 seconds, 5 seconds. And now for third quarter, score 62-29, all by District. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter.
Ba't walang foul yan? Sige na, dali na. Agrugay kayo! Partakin niyo!
Wala si Mendoza, Richard Mendoza.
Fourth quarter ready, fourth Rim District ball, Rim District. Lapiceros. Abonyo. 5. 10 to shoot. Rebound pa Rivera. It's Calatuche. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Calatuche. 63-32. 14 to shoot, 14 seconds to shoot.
Pwesto na ka dong, Migo. Tira, libre.
Too strong, top now, Major Pinitante. 5. Second steal by Calatuche. It's 3-on-1. Calado! Intercepted by Lapiceros. Lapiceros sometimes. 5. Nice defense on Sumalde. Lapiceros, 14 sa shot clock. It's Rivera. 65-32. It's 33-point lead on District. Calatuche. Bang, bang, bang on Calatuche. 30-point lead on District. 65-35. It's turnover again on Rim District. 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
Huwag nyo batirahin ha, batirahin nyo konti. Kunin mo na daw.
Nice fake. Calatuche looking for the boy, Thunder Boy. Intercepted by 5. Abonyo. Lapiceros. Too strong, top. Rebound on Lapiceros.
Bang, bang.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lapiceros! Kinlighting, Anas. Short! Rebound on 5. Rivera. Yes, on Rivera, 70-35. Boy Thunderboy short. Rebound again ng Thunderboy. Thunderboy. Looking for the Kid Lightning. Too strong on the Kid Lightning top by Rivera. It's 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Yes, on 5. 72-35.
Sir, time out, sir.
Calachuche. In and out. Top. Rebound to Malde. Top again. The Kid Lightning again. Rebound on Lapiceros.
Oh! Careful! Wala kang kaagaw na si Peros!
Air ball. Rebound on the Major Binilante. Rebound again on Anas.
Alam mo na, inaagawan sila si Peros ng ball.
Kid Lightning. It's Calachuche. Time out on Rim District. Now 37-72. All by Rim District.
Magsusot na nga lang ka. Mapapaul ka.
Next game, Navigate versus Almeria. Cinco.
Bang, bang.
Shot. Peralta to Calachuche. It's Calachuche, 1-1. Kickball. Rim District ball, Rim District. Four minutes and 30 seconds. 5. Traveling violation on 5. Nice defense on Catalia. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Calachuche!
Kasi yung papel dati, parang display ya para sa inyo. Ang gawa ko. Yung pinakauna, yung katwa pinakauna.
Foul! Four minutes.
Ang tatwa. Yun yung pinakauna.
Meron yung ito dito naman.
Time to shoot. Sergeant Primo. Whoa! Calachuche! 30-point lead on district. 72-30, 42.
Patay oras na dong. Patay oras na. Bang, bang.
Bang, bang, bang! On 5. 2 minutes! Bang, bang, bang! On Calachuche!
Muna ba?
Ko pa rin. Huwag mo nang bigyan mo na.
Seba! 10 to shoot! Nice defense on Sergeant Primo! It's Calachuche! In and out! Calachuche again! 14 sa clock, 14. Anas! Seba? Nice defense on Peralta. 1 minute and 10. It's Electra ball, Electra.
Raymond Martin.
Short.
Hermoso. Raymond. Martin.
Eight.
A.
43 seconds for Ivy.
Michael, patay oras na. Madisgrasya pa ka diya.
Let go. Let go, may oras pa ka.
Foul.
Michael.
Foul on Seba. First on this week. 35 seconds. 35.
Number 3 rebounds, 2 assists.
30 seconds.
Wag na isira, wag na itira.
Mga player na.
Wag na itira.
20 seconds.
Nice game.
15. Cinco. 77, 45.
Yan.
And our game, our winner, it's Swim District. 77 against 55.